Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at Riff Ai. In order to do so, here we are at riffai.org. And what is Riff all about? Well, it is a satellite and AI company that utilizes AI technology for monitoring environmental changes in Earth observation. With power of artificial intelligence, hyper multispectral imagery, and time series analysis, we tackle one of the most pressuring challenges on Earth. Satellite intelligence powered by AI, detecting environmental changes and key critical infrastructure from Earth observation with deep learning. We're collaborating with industries, governments, and militaries. Riff Ai is trusted and endorsed by the most experienced organizations in the domain of energy, intelligence, and environment to deliver satellite monitoring that is rigorously proven, proactive, and specially trained to address the most challenging situations. They're bringing space down to Earth. And if you're interested in media, research, engineering, or investment, there is a place for collaboration. You can contact them at contact@riffai.org. And you can also follow them on Facebook, X, Instagram, LinkedIn. So if you're interested in Riff Ai, head over to riffai.org for more information. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. It's a fantastic business strategy tool. Highly recommend it. Of all the tools I've come across, Sintra really stands out as very useful if you are a new business owner or an established business owner and you're looking for an edge. Check out Sintra. It gets to know you and your business and offers tailored responses that can really help you get out ahead. So also check out Cider AI. It's an extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available so that you can get the answers you're looking for. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the Linktree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.